In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure AI lead scoring in Freshsales. Freshsales uses Freddy AI for what it calls contact scoring. This helps you prioritize leads without having to manually assign points to every single contact. Freddy looks at contact and company attributes, industry, location, email engagement, meetings, calls, tasks, and even website or product activity when that data is available. It also considers both positive and negative behaviors, then uses those signals along with historical CRM patterns to generate a score from 0 to 99 and a customer fit rating. To begin, log into your Freshsales account. Before changing anything, it's helpful to understand that this score is meant to support your sales process, not replace judgment. The goal is to help your team identify which contacts are more likely to be worth immediate attention. Next, open the admin settings area and search for lead scoring. From there, select Contact Scoring to access the Predictive Scoring configuration page. Now you can start adding positive signals. For this example, choose Country as a positive signal. This feature tells Freshsales that contacts from certain regions should be considered a stronger match for your business. In this setup, select the United States and Canada, then save your changes. After that, add another signal and choose industry type. This allows you to highlight industries that are more aligned with your ideal customer profile. In this example, select e-commerce and also select financial services. Once both are added, save again. You can continue building your model by adding more signals. This time, choose engagement, then select email status, and choose clicked. This means contacts who click your emails will be treated as showing stronger buying intent. Save that signal once it's configured. Next, add negative signals as well. Negative signals are important because they help lower priority for contacts showing poor engagement or low quality behavior. Click on Email, then choose Bounced. A bounced email can indicate invalid contact details or low deliverability, which usually makes that contact less reliable. Click Select More, then add another signal. Choose Engagement again as the signal type, and then select Outgoing Emails. Save that as well. Once your scoring signals are in place, go to the automation section based on score, and set the threshold to 80 for this example. Then choose the action to change the contact lifecycle stage to Sales Qualified Lead. This helps automate handoff when a contact reaches a strong score. Finally, click Save Settings. As a best practice, don't treat an 80+ score as the only sign of a good lead. It's much better to evaluate AI score together with customer fit, recent activity, and sales stage. That gives you a more reliable picture and helps your team focus on the right opportunities. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.